that point this is equal to 0 minus 1.25, right? All of you understand how we can find? Okay, thank you. Next, that point is a 1 and 3. You tell me where is the point 1 and 3. It means variation of x that is equal to 1 and the variation of y that is equal to 3. Yes, all of you understand? Okay, fine. That x is equal to 1, it means that is here, and y is equal to 3, it means that is here. So you draw this point that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So this is a point that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3, right? Next x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. The value of x that is equal to 3. Anyone tell me? Yes, on the x-axis that a variation is 3 and the y-axis that is a variation is minus 1. So this is a point, that is point is that here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1, right? So all of you understand very proper way that these points how you can draw. तो आप किस तरह से इस पॉइंट्स को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? These are the questions related to that exercise. I also give one questions, solution of the one questions related to these problems, that how you can solve these points, because the all exercises completed in the chapter. So we give one questions for the homework. Suppose that here points are given. Here point are the examples for one question. For example, that you draw these points. A, the quadrant is 1, 3, and quadrant B that is 1 minus 1, and the point C that is a quadrant is 7 minus 1, and the point D that is a 7 and 3. If you meet these points into the order, then what is the figure? Means ये जो पॉइंट्स आपको दिए हैं, अगर इन पॉइंट्स को एक एग्जांपल्स है, अगर आप इन पॉइंट्स को क्रम से मिलाते हैं तो आपकी कौन से फिगर बनेगा, ठीक है ना? देन हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस फिगर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई टेक which figure can be create if you take these points, then all of you see which figure will be converted if I take these points, right? So I first draw these points, which figure will be created by these points, right? All of you see, here is equal to minus 1 and there is a 3, here is a 7 and 8, right? Okay, then you see the A is equal to the quadrant of A, that is a 1 and 3. It means the value of x that is equal to 1 and the value of y that is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. This is a point. Then point B, this is the point A. Point B, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Here you see that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. It means that point is B. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Then you take the next point C, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 1. x is equal to 7. Suppose that this is the 7. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 1. So this is a point C. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 1. Next, another point you take that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. It means it is like that point. That point is D. X is 7 and y is 3. If you meet these points by the order, first I meet A to B, A to B, then B to C, then B to C, then C to D, then D to A. You see which type of the figure here created. Okay, so you see that is a rectangle, मतलब A आपका एक आयत बन गया. So you can help with the points. You can also solve the other questions. So I think all of you understand all the whole chapters, coordinate geometry, निर्देशांक ज्यामिति very well. And if you have any doubts, then definitely you ask to me by the comments. Okay, right? Thank you. Goodbye.